Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Blighter to supply 4D multi-mode radars to Eastern European Army for border surveillance and drone detection. Blighter has won a follow-on contract from an undisclosed Eastern European Army to supply its A800 Mk2 4D multi-mode radars. The systems will be used to protect vulnerable land and sea borders from ground incursions and hard-to-detect low-flying and one-way attack drones. The Cambridge-based company said the radars will provide simultaneous ground, sea and air surveillance at ranges of up to 20 kilometers. As under the previous contract, the A800 radars will be deployed at fixed locations along the country's borders and integrated onto Army reconnaissance vehicles. Army officials selected the A800 Mk2 because of its multimode functionality. Blighter said the radar can simultaneously detect, classify and track ground, sea and air targets. The company said low-altitude drones are a major challenge because of their small size, low radar cross-section and ability to fly close to terrain. It said conventional air surveillance radars can struggle to detect such targets. Blighter said its radars address this challenge through Ku-band sensing, electronic scanning array antennas, microdoppler signature analysis and clutter suppression technologies. The company said the systems are effective against fast, low-flying targets including first-person view, fiber optic and shard-type winged drones. We are delighted to have secured a follow-on contract for our A800 multimode radars from this military customer. Our radars will provide 24/7 all-weather protection against ground incursions and the growing threat of low-altitude drones that have caused such devastation in recent conflicts, said James Long, Blighter's CEO. Our ground-based radars excel in detecting low and fast targets including first-person view, FPV, fiber optic and fixed-wing drones up to 20 kilometers away. We are proud to be one of only a handful of companies offering a $1M radar that can detect targets at speeds up to Mach 1. Long said. The contract also includes the supply of Blighter AI-assisted software. The software will enable the radars to be integrated with the Army's command and control networks, operator interfaces and third-party sensors. Blighter said the integration will deliver a unified display or common operating picture across multiple border regions. The company said this is intended to improve situational awareness for border surveillance operations. The A800 Mk2 combines electronic beam scanning, next-generation monopulse elevation measurement and target classification using microdoppler signature analysis. Blighter said the radar provides situational awareness in a low size, weight and power format. The radar is also fitted with a gigabit Ethernet interface for secure and encrypted data transfer. Blighter said its radars have been used for drone detection at UK and international airports, by the United States Air Force, at multinational forward operating bases in the Middle East and in government and military counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems. Blighter supports international systems integrators in creating layered, multi-sensor surveillance systems and also supports localized manufacture. The company said more than 800 of its radars have been deployed in over 40 countries across defense, homeland security, critical national infrastructure and energy sectors. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.